Hey guys! Today I will be explaining how to affiliate marketing to earn up to $25,000 per month without using YouTube videos. Moreover, I will be demonstrating how to obtain over 1 million views every month. There is no restriction on the views, as people receive as many as 5 million or 10 million views a month. This is truly a global issue, and you can accomplish it without putting forth any effort. You must copy the link, return to the platform, and insert the link there. You will download it onto the platform, which will significantly improve your driving ability. You need to follow a few steps, as I will explain how to purchase a product in any niche you choose to start earning money online through affiliate marketing. This is the quickest and most hassle-free method of doing so. All you have to do is carefully follow each step of the instructions. Step 1. The platform that will be used is Pinterest. You don't have to create traditional pins. Instead, I will explain where you can get the content you don't even need to make. Not only this, but it also receives millions of views and generates thousands of dollars daily online. All you have to do is view the profile. If you scroll down, you will see monthly views and the amounts of pins they have posted. When customers purchase, a link in the link tree directs them to an offer. They are not performing any jobs, yet they are making money online. You are allowed to use different types of pins and do this in any niche as we click on the Pinterest profile. If we take another Pinterest profile and view an example, can be taken as self-improvement is what it is. This has received 1.2 million views monthly and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. Why? Because it contains video material, which social media companies are currently pushing. Anyone that is following this trend is earning a lot of money. Another example of this is the supercar zone with a Cosmo niche. It has 5.1 million views per month. And now I'll be explaining how to access an endless supply of content for various social media sites. Moreover, I will be explaining how to download it in 2 different ways. The first is an extremely easy technique requiring you to do nothing. The other method will probably take you 5 minutes to do it. You can take any profile, as I will explain through Little Navi's profile. This person has 10 million views each month. Now think how successful you would be if 10 million people visited your pins each month. You can achieve this in the wealth niche. This is possible in the health sector. In relationships, you can do this. You can perform this in style. Moreover, this is possible in many different markets. Now I will be demonstrating how to use affiliate marketing. Therefore, the first thing you guys need to do is head over to Pinterest and set up a profile for your source. This will enable you to post video content on your Pinterest, so I highly recommend creating one with a business Pinterest profile. Also, make sure to create your source a business Pinterest profile when you sign up. The next thing you guys need to do is head over to the website called experttix.com. If you wish to take stuff from Pinterest, you can use this to download it to your computer and then upload it to your personal Pinterest profile. If you want to download a video, all you have to do is click the link, select copy, head over to the profile, paste the information, and click download. The simplest method for doing this is you only need to click on download this video. There are 3 tiny dots that you click on and choose to download. It will therefore be downloaded on your PC, and you can do whatever you want. You can now visit the Pinterest profile you made for yourself. All you have to do is grab, drag, and drop it in the space. To select Create a Pin, move up to the top of the page where it says Create and create a title that is everything you will need to do from this point on. Step 2. Now I will demonstrate how to download, upload, and get content from 3 social media websites. I will also be demonstrating how to use to advertise one product and promote several products. Moving on directly to this, you need to add a title. Once that has been done, you must inform everyone so that they can write something incredibly straightforward. Then you have to add some tags. You also have access to education and affiliate marketing, so you can click on those to get started. You can choose, for example, Start a Business. And now the time is to include a destination link. The program used for the destination link is called Linktree. You need to create a Linktree account for that. It is an awesome site. Just go over there, copy the link, and then come straight to the pin. You will paste that in there after you clicked the share button. You are going to paste it on the board. It is easy to create a board for yourself if you click the create button. Then you need to hit on the publish button so that it can publish your board on the Pinterest profile. Step 3. There is another way to do it with a call to action. You need to click on the link inside your Pinterest profile. You may also include a link to the page on your Pinterest account, which is another great feature. This will give you a link that the others can click on by heading to your profile when you create your account. Another platform we can visit is TikTok, which offers a lot of content on topics like numerology, luxury, money, manifestation, and affiliate marketing. You only need to enter, and you may also download a lot of information from TikTok. People do this every day as it helps you generate a lot of traffic for your Pinterest profile. Take any video, pause the video, grab the link, copy it, then head over to the platform called Snap, and then paste the link. After pasting, if you have to click the download button, and then it can be easily uploaded to the Pinterest. TikTok and Pinterest are both options. Step 4. Using Instagram is yet another awesome option. Instagram offers many opportunities for you to obtain a lot of content, and people use it online. Let's take an example if we search interrupt preneurial fats. They have 2.4 million followers, and when you scroll down, you can see how many different views these people are receiving. These people are getting a lot of views, and they all have links with Linktree and different types of affiliate marketing profiles where they are crushing it. It will be explaining how to use additional software where you can create some of these different types of videos. If you go on any profile, click on the video, pause, grab the URL, click on the copy, and go over to Snap app. Then paste that in and click the download button to begin downloading the video. You will then post the video on your Pinterest profile, thus proving that downloading a video is as simple as clicking. If an advertisement appears, simply remove it. Once you do that, you would like to upload the video you have downloaded, so pick it up and drop it there. Then, pause and stretch it to suit the entire video size once you have paused it. You can see when the video has been played that the audio will start playing and someone else's watermarks might appear, even though the video is not theirs. So to put it simply, you are welcome to come over and relocate it. Once you have activated the right now, you may split it again, or click the right mouse. This way, it will be divided into arts, and it is up to you how many parts you want it to be divided. You can also add inspirational codes or add your own thing. For example, click on the link in my bio. If you want to change the font of the writing, you have to double-click it to change the color, and once you click on the text, you can also click on it to add a heading or use different types of fonts. You may also include music from Canva. You can download this as an MP4 for the video. You only need to click on the download button. And once it has been downloaded, you can upload it on the Pinterest profile. Now, for example, if you want to find various motivational quotes for men, all you need to do is visit the website called brainyquotes.com. It is a fantastic website where you can find an ideal variety of inspirational quotes that will work perfectly to increase your views, clicks, and perhaps sales on a variety of niche. You want to add them. The website Silent Men are fantastic to be aware of as it exists and to have it in your toolbox by making these various pins. So now that this is downloaded, we will go straight to Pinterest, grab the link, drag it, and drop it. You will see that the text is neatly rising to the top if you come over, play that, remove it and turn on the sound effect. You may use money as an example for the tags. You can also use the Linktree ad. You need to sign up for it. It is an amazing website. There are two fantastic websites. One of them is Digital24 and the other site is clickbank.com. There are several affiliate marketing items available on both of these sites from many different areas. If you want to register for the Click, you must create an account. Many categories are general, educational, health and fitness, home and garden, self-help, relationships, etc. I enjoy using affiliate marketing as a form of business marketing. Therefore, if you're going to click on that, we will be taken to a page and then we have to click on Gravity, which will present us with a huge variety of goods that we can market. Once we click on Gravity, it will show us different types of products selling well. Therefore, you need to locate the goods that you are willing to endorse. If you want to promote it, you would need to head over to the Linktree and click on the Add New Link button. Then we will head over to the title and click Copy and paste it. Simply head over to the product clicked to advertise to generate a hop link. Once the hop link is generated, this will allow you to promote multiple products with ease. Step 5. Another easy that can be used to make money with affiliate marketing or Canva to change some of the pins by posting your variation is to follow the steps I took for a case study to make money online with affiliate marketing in a matter of minutes. One pin will already be there and another when we refresh, which will be there in a few seconds. Once they are indexed, you will notice various pin types. If someone clicks on the link, it will take them to where they can purchase and continue to earn money through affiliate marketing. If you want to see the products people are viewing, you can head over to the website called ConvertKit.com. They will type their email address and you will receive it, and thus you will be able to retarget them with various products. You can use several different email marketing programs, some of which are free. If the ConvertKit doesn't function, look for alternative email marketing programs in your nation. All you need to do is create a landing page, and after that, you can retarget utilizing email marketing broadcasts. To increase your earnings with affiliate marketing, you won't even need to generate any of the pins because Pinterest will send you free traffic, and the rest is up to you. This is it. Follow the above steps carefully if you want to earn up to $25,000 per month through affiliate marketing. Thank you, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the bell icon and please subscribe to the channel as well.